Hello folks, welcome to today's stock review. Before we begin, I want to let you know that we have some exceptionally exciting news in our Discord community. Join and check the announcement to see what it is. I would also suggest subscribing and pushing the bell notification button if you like our material. I'm Troglodidi from Simple Trade, and today I would like to walk you through a review of the stock CIVX. The stock made a significant move just last week, which resulted in an overall rise of more than 250%. Let's see what happened. On the 23rd of September, CIVX was upgraded to the pink current tier. Notice the very good share structure of the company, which allows for beautiful runs. I want you to remember that CIVX is one of Alpha Ridge's custodians, meaning there will be no dilution and no reverse split in at least the 2 following years. This was all verified in this shareholder call on the 18th of October. The CEO of Alpha Ridge, Frank, also expressed his excitement towards the stock's future. Finally, on the 21st of October, 3 days after the shareholder call, Alpha Ridge released a tweet stating the following: CIVX is transforming into blockchain multimedia. Crypto meets NFTs with innovative technology integration on Hollywood Hills. Meaning, CIVX is merging with a crypto and NFT company. That is huge news. The long-awaited merger on one of the stocks with the biggest potential due to its incredible share structure is taking form. This caused the rise of the stock the same day the tweet came out. Blockchain Multimedia, the merging company, also opened a new Twitter account to easily reach shareholders. This is a very interesting stock with possibly much more to offer. We can only wait and see what will happen next. I want to point out that the stock was introduced to you in a hidden gem video where you could grab it and make more than 250%. If you would like to know about all the other hidden gem videos, stock reviews, etc., make sure to subscribe and push the bell notification button. I also invite you to join our Discord community of Simple Trade, where many exciting things are happening right now. Good luck to you all, and see you at the market.